So Taz, what made you choose the course that you're on at the moment?
I chose level 1 diploma electrical because last year in multi-skills I did electrical and I got the choice to move on to level 1 diploma electrical because I like the hands-on practical dirty work kind of thing.
Okay, so cast your mind back to when you started. What was your first day at college like?
I was a bit nervous, it was a bit nerve-wracking, but as I gradually got through the year I was more confident, and at first I was really quiet, but now in a positive way you can't shut me up.
So tell me a little bit about your course.
So currently I've just finished my level 1 diploma electrical course, which was really good. I feel like I've achieved a lot the past year from last year. It was mainly theory, I'm really good in theory, but practical it was 50-50, where I forgot where to put the switch wire each time. So I had to remember myself, Gary and Martin gave me prompts, but gradually I've found out the correct place to put it.
What skills do you think you've gained? How do you think that'll help you in the future?
I've learnt measuring skills, so my maths has improved, cutting, threading the metal, and I think that's it.
Okay. And do you think you've been supported while you've been here, and if so, how's that worked out?
Yeah, I feel like I've been really supported this year. Whenever I needed help, someone's come to me and I've got help from them, so I'm not afraid to ask for help.
Okay, is that just in your main course or in all of your courses while you're here?
All my courses while I've been here as well.
Which else do you do?
GCSE maths.
Okay, you get support there in the classroom?
Yeah, so whenever I need help, I just put my hand up and one of the teachers will come to me and help me. But they won't give me the answer, they would prompt me to work it out myself.
And what experience have you had while you've been here, and what highlights have you had?
My experience is really good. I've learnt more about health and safety and electrical in general. And last year I won the Be Brilliant Student Award of the Year.
Brilliant, what was that?
That was for me being the best student of the year, and it was at Aston Villa grounds. But it was a big conference party kind of thing.
Brilliant, apart from everything then?
Yep.
And what are your plans for the future?
Hopefully when I pass my maths I can move on to level 2 electrical.
Brilliant. So while you've been here, do you feel like you've been heard and understood? Is there anything extra you've done while you've been here?
Yeah, I definitely do feel like we've been heard. Staff always say hello to me and I say hello to them back, and on the Thursdays and Fridays I do construction technician jobs where I help the staff whenever they need it, and general tidying up.
Brilliant. And what do you think about the learning disability? What do you think it's important?
I feel like it's really important because disability itself is not always people think of it as a good thing. Like they don't always acknowledge it, and I feel like they should, because some people with disabilities they can't do stuff that other people can, so it can their mental health can be affected as well.